Title: The Art of Communication. Introduction. Communication is the cornerstone of human interaction. It enables us to convey ideas, share emotions, and build connections. Mastering the art of communication is essential for success in both personal and professional spheres. Key principles. 1. Active listening. Listen not just to respond, but to understand. Pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues. 2. Clarity. Express your thoughts clearly and concisely. Avoid ambiguity to ensure your message is understood. 3. Empathy. Put yourself in the other person's shoes. Understand their perspective and respond with empathy. 4. Nonverbal communication. Body language, facial expressions, and gestures often convey more than words alone. Pay attention to these cues in yourself and others. 5. Adaptability. Adjust your communication style based on the situation and the person you're interacting with. Flexibility leads to better rapport. Practical tips. Maintain eye contact to show attentiveness. Use open-ended questions to encourage discussion. Practice active listening by summarizing what you've heard. Be mindful of your tone of voice and body language. Seek feedback to continually improve your communication skills. Conclusion. Effective communication is a skill that can be honed through practice and self-awareness. By mastering the principles outlined above and implementing practical tips, you can enhance your relationships, advance your career, and navigate. Title: The Art of Communication.